And then also to wear these under their Halloween costumes. So we just needed more Ollie melatonin gummies. I love them. Just if you're wondering, we have a lot of peanut butter because the boys get it every week from the bag they get from school. I need a better way to store these. Anybody know how? Because this isn't working. I gotta go turn on the fan, open a window because it's hot in here. What? You love me? Okay. It's bedtime. Excuse me. Yeah, you farted. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a Walmart haul of what I got for fall for the kids and the essential items that I needed on a daily basis. So, it's going to be raw, it's going to be fun, and we're just going to see what I got. So these are for Kyson. They're just size 5 shorts from Wonder Nation at Walmart. And then, whoops, I got a size 12 for Aiden because he is 8, but he is taller and just bigger than a normal 8-year-old. Then I got another pair of those, but in black for Kai. And I got another pair in black for Aiden. They grow so fast. It's ridiculous how quick I have to buy clothes for kids. Like, I thought I was buying a lot of clothes when they were little and like newborn and stuff, but now it's like every season I had to buy different clothes. I was like, I can't get 2 seasons out of one size clothes. Now these are special. I found US Polo Assassination, I think. They are like stretchy and they're soft. So I thought it would be really cool for the kids to wear these to school on gym days instead of like wearing sweats. And then also to wear these under their Halloween costumes because it's not going to be like rough and thick like regular jeans. They're soft but still able to be a good like thickness. So that's a 12 for Aiden. And then I got Kai the size 5 because, you know, he's younger, but they're still stretchy and soft. And then, same brand, I got a darker pair because on the other jeans I got the lighter pair. So these are the stretchy size 12 for Aiden. And then I got the stretchy size 5 for Kai. So they each have 4 pairs of jeans, and then Aiden has a couple from last year that are almost too small on him, but he can still wear. And then Kyson has 1 pair of jeans that Mamaw bought him. So they have like 5 total, which is not bad. And then they got new toothbrushes. Kyson got a Minion one. And Aiden's is somewhere. I'll show you that when I find it. But here's for our essentials. We just needed more Ollie melatonin gummies. I love them. And then we got some ibuprofen because Aiden has been reading like 100 weeks. Not 100 weeks. 100 minutes a week for school. It's like a requirement, and he's been getting headaches because he reads like so much. He's not used to it. And then here's Aiden's toothbrush. He got Sonic because he's in love with Sonic. And then we got some more toothpaste, and we use the Kids Crest Cavity Protection. I always get the 3-pack because I don't like to go to a store every month or every 2 months for toothpaste. I'd rather just have it for several months. And then we got tampons because, you know, that time of the month. And then we got some allergy pills. I normally get mine from Kroger, but we were at Walmart, so I grabbed them. So this is just the Equate brand, the children's non-drowsy chewable tablets and grape flavored. That's all they had. So the boys were like, sure, we'll do the grape. Then I got their kids multi-gummy and probiotic, also from Ollie brand. And then Mama needed some deodorant. And then the last thing for the boys is these Reebok hoodies. Aiden had a hoodie from last year. It was like gray, and he grew out of it so fast, and he was like, Mom, I want another hoodie. And I'm like, okay, I'll get you another hoodie. So we were at Walmart and saw this one. His favorite color is red, so I got him a red one. And then Kai didn't need one, but I can't buy one kid one without buying the other. Kai's favorite color is blue, so we got this blue one for him. And then I have my sister's wedding coming up at the end of October, and I have the dress. I'll put a picture right here of me in the dress, and I do have the shoes on in the dress, but you can't see it. But here are all their shoes. They're just little boots. They have a little bit of a heel because I don't do heels, and then they have a zipper on the side, and they're very comfy. They are the Time and True brand, and I got an 8.5 for those. And that is all from Walmart. And you guys, let me tell you, I did not think it was going to cost as much as it did. That was like $418 worth. Yes, I know that's a little crazy, but you know what? I buy stuff to last. I don't want to buy cheap stuff that you're going to have to buy new in a couple months. So, with that being said, the Walmart haul is over, and we're going to get on to our Sunday reset because it is Sunday and we have to get everything set up for the week, so we are set to go. I get the boys' clothes picked out. They have an organizer in their closet I'll show you where they put their clothes in Monday through Friday, and then we make sure lunches are packed if they're packing, our waters are done, we get dishes done, we get the laundry done, washed, dried, put away, all that fun stuff. So literally everything is reset for the week. And then I also have some groceries that were like pantry related that I still have to put away from Aldi, so I'll show you guys that also. So let's go.
Find time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me.
Okay, battery slashing. Let's be quick. This is after of the organization of my pantry. It's the best that I can do with the space that I have. And you know what? I think I did a pretty good job organizing everything. Just if you're wondering, we have a lot of peanut butter because the boys get it every week from the bag they get from school, and along with like all this stuff, they get it from the bags at school, or we get it from the pantry, the food pantry that we go to. So they just send random things home. Behind the scenes, I have a huge mess over here and a huge mess on the floor, but it's okay because it's gonna get cleaned up, and then you guys are gonna see the organization of this messy fridge because that's just a disaster.
How do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic.
better way to store these. Anybody know how? Because this isn't working.
I will never get it right. I still have you on my side. Staying night after night. Cause you're mine. Cause it's just my habit. I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits. Just my habits. I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my.
So, my hair is not working in this heat, so we're gonna switch it up. Okay, not the best, but it'll get the job done. I'm gonna go turn on the fan, open a window, because it's hot in here, and I'm getting stuff done, so I'm gonna be hot in general. So, this is all from the fridge, a little bit from the pantry, a little bit of empty boxes. Need to tackle that situation. And then I got dirty dishes here, got leftover snack from Kai. Those gotta go in the fridge. That has to be cleaned along with some of the fruit and veggie down here. So I'm gonna have the boys come out, do their chore, and unload the clean dishes. Oh boys! Let's see if they actually hear me. Can you please come unload the dishwasher for me? Dishwasher time! No. Zip your stuff up. I can't film you when you're unzip, boy.
I've been giving you the worst of me, cause I can tell you a thirsty beat. Look how the stars got you worshiping. You wanna slide, go to work, baby. Work, baby. On the seat. And it be just like it's in your dreams. Don't stop till it's head to feet. You wanna slide, go to work, baby. Work, baby. Damn it, boy, I'm tired of nights. When I'm talking, better look in my eyes. You ain't a saint, you ain't nothing like Christ. Stop pretending that you're doing more. Then below with all of this ice. It be dripping like you do when you cry. On your knees, but you're looking for rice. I'm a jawbreaker, I know your wife. I've been giving you the worst of me, cause I can tell you a thirsty beat. Look how the stars got you worshiping. You wanna slide, go to work, baby. Work, baby. On the seat. And it be just like it's in your dreams. Don't stop till it's head to feet. You wanna slide, go to work, baby. Work, baby. I know that you love you a slice, but all you got is regular fries. Sorry, boy, you can't make the price. And I got business somewhere to fly. I know you tryna do it alright, and I don't Oh, oh. Oh, oh. I know your love is fragile. Guess what? Mine too. And I know you need a real one. I could be that plug fall through. And I know I had you crying, saying something about you over me. Yeah. You say that he tried, but you know that was the older me. Yeah. Get a body make me feel the way you feel when you get close to me. Yeah. Yeah, you know you're not gon' find nobody better. You should go with me. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. And I late returning this call. Feel like a pitfall. Hate to let you down. Got you sounding all pissed off. Like, buddy, you ain't shit. Must forget about who I miss. Be somebody of your word. And when you falling through the crib, say less. Just gotta hold the paycheck. I put a dub in the tank. By 6, I'm live in the flesh. To help you work out that stress. I bring the vibe and great sex. My mood is at an apex. So when you get late, I know you hate it when I gotta leave. Oh, I know you waited when I gotta leave. Oh, all good, I see you when I see. Yeah. Guess what? I'd rather make it sooner than later. Rather make it sooner than later. Yeah. I'm on the way. I know you out of patience, but I bet I'll make it worth your way if you let me out my way. Know you want it too. I can see it on your face, yeah. We fightin' more than we sex. I know it feel like we trouble. We take that feeling from up to you the piece to my puzzle. And I'm the reason you breathing. Don't get it twisted, I want you, but I can see you don't need me. Yeah, yeah. You more like good on your own. You straight with the bills and need pain. You standing solid on 10, like you the queen of the pavement. You really run shit amazing. It's been a day until it fade away. Gotta leave. Oh, oh. I know you waited when I gotta leave. Oh, oh. How good I see you when I see. Guess what? I'd rather make it sooner than later. Sooner than later, yeah.
So, it is now 6:30. We got everything done earlier and then my camera died. I read 30 minutes with Aiden, so he has all that done. And now we're getting ready to pick out our clothes for the week. And they're not packing tomorrow, so they're going to get their waters ready and everything. So we're all set for the morning.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway.
What? You love me? Okay. It's bedtime.
Excuse me.
Yeah, you farted.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions.